Here are 5 levels of one flash photography. Level 1. Amateur direct light. A very popular technique, especially combined with the classic pop-up flash. The results may vary, but later in your career you can call it fashion.
Her name's Fashion.
Level 2. The weekend wire bounce light. So this is for the refined speed light user. You got an event to cover? Don't be an amateur. Don't use direct light. Use bounce light and fill up that scene. Level 3. The semi-professional feathered light. Feathered light is a light that will make you stand high on the balcony. Finally, it is time to give your portrait some shadows and create a sexy mood. Just don't overdo it. Level 4. Professional gel lighting. You mastered light and its exposure. Finally. But now you can control even one thing better, lighting color. No longer will you fear tungsten and fluorescent lighting. Level 5. Artiste. This is the moment in your career that you realize that your subject does not need a full face. You provide the light. Your light is the portrait. The rest are simply details. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Evensby, out.